Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success while others struggle despite working just as hard? I used to think it was pure luck until I discovered something fascinating at the intersection of ancient manifestation practices and modern mathematics. Let me take you back to a conversation I had with a quantum physicist last year. We were discussing the observer effect, the strange phenomenon where particles behave differently when they're being watched. He said something that stopped me in my tracks. Consciousness doesn't just observe reality, it participates in creating it. Now, before you think this is going to be all about quantum physics, stay with me. Because what I'm about to share might change how you think about manifestation forever. You see, manifestation isn't just about positive thinking or vision boards, there's actually a mathematical pattern to it. Think about it. When you plant a seed, there's a precise sequence that follows: seed, sprout, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. Nature follows mathematical sequences like the Fibonacci spiral we see in seashells and galaxies. But here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists have discovered that our thoughts also follow patterns. When you have a thought, it creates an electromagnetic field that can be measured. Not just any field, but one that follows specific mathematical principles. Let me break down what I call the manifestation formula. It has three core components. First, there's frequency. Just like radio waves need the right frequency to transmit clearly, your thoughts need to maintain a consistent vibration. Think of it like tuning a guitar string. Too loose and it won't play. Too tight and it'll snap. The sweet spot, that's where manifestation begins. Second, we have resonance. In physics, resonance occurs when two systems vibrate at the same frequency. Have you ever met someone and instantly clicked? That's resonance in action. When your thoughts, actions, and goals all vibrate in harmony, that's when magic happens. The third component, momentum. This is where most people get it wrong. They think manifestation is instant, like microwave popcorn, but it actually follows what mathematicians call exponential growth. Remember, those math problems about compound interest, that's exactly how manifestation works. But here's the catch, and this is something I learned the hard way. Just like any mathematical formula, if you get one variable wrong, the whole equation falls apart. You can't expect positive results with negative inputs. It's like trying to solve an equation while using the wrong numbers. Let me share a personal story. For years, I tried to manifest success in my career using what I thought was the right formula. Vision board? Check. Positive affirmations? Double check. But something was missing. It wasn't until I understood the mathematics behind it that everything changed. I realized I was focusing on the outcome instead of the sequence. In mathematics, we call this focusing on the solution without understanding the proof. Every step in the sequence matters. Each small action creates a ripple effect following precise mathematical laws of cause and effect. Think of it like this. If you were to write out the mathematics of your dream life, what would the equation look like? What variables would you need? What constants would stay the same? This isn't just metaphorical thinking. It's practical application of universal principles. The ancient Hermetic text says, as above, so below. In mathematical terms, we'd call this a fractal pattern, the same principles that the cosmos govern our daily lives. When you understand this, manifestation becomes less about wishing and more about aligning with these universal mathematical principles. So, is there a formula for manifestation? Yes, but it's not as simple as 2 + 2 4. It's more like calculus, a continuous process of integration and differentiation, of small changes leading to big results. The real question isn't whether the formula exists, it's whether you're ready to learn the mathematics of manifestation. Are you ready to move beyond simple addition and subtraction of positive and negative thoughts and into the complex algebra of conscious creation? Before I go, I want you to try something. Think of your biggest goal right now. Now, instead of just visualizing the end result, try to see the mathematical sequence that would lead there. What are the variables? What's your rate of growth? What patterns need to align? If this way of thinking about manifestation resonates with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights where science meets spirituality. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences with the mathematics of manifestation. Remember, every great equation starts with a single variable. What's yours going to be?